Qualcomm Pulse is live. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the biggest tech and finance news. First up, Sivia Capital Partners LLC is making some serious moves, dramatically boosting their stake in Intel Corporation. Then, Defined Wealth Management LLC is also stepping into the Intel game with a significant new purchase. But wait, there's more. AMD's FSR Redstone is on the horizon, and it might just be a game changer for more than just their own hardware. And we've got a crucial update straight from Intel Corporation itself. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. The chip giants shifting fortunes. A deep dive into Intel's investor activity. Sivia Capital Partners LLC has dramatically increased its investment in Intel Corporation, nearly quadrupling its holdings in the second quarter. This significant boost, adding 25,001 shares to their existing position, brings their total stake to 34,201 shares, valued at a substantial $766,000. This move signals a strong conviction from Sivia Capital Partners LLC in Intel's future, especially as other major players like Tidal Investments LLC and Woodline Partners LP have also aggressively expanded their positions in the chipmaker. The market is buzzing with activity around Intel, with institutional investors collectively holding over 64% of its stock. Analysts are weighing in, with Sivia Capital Partners LLC's actions potentially influencing market sentiment. While some analysts maintain a hold rating, the sheer volume of investment activity suggests a complex picture of confidence and caution surrounding Intel's performance and strategic direction. The company's recent earnings report showed a slight revenue increase year-over-year, though it missed EPS estimates, leading to a mixed outlook from the financial community. Don't go anywhere, because the story behind these investor shifts is far from over. Get ready to unpack AMD's surprising tech crossover next. Intel sees new investment as Defined Wealth Management LLC acquires significant stake. In a notable development for the semiconductor giant, Defined Wealth Management LLC has entered the Intel Corporation arena by acquiring a new stake comprising 12,510 shares. This acquisition, valued at approximately $280,000, adds another layer to the ongoing investor interest in Intel. This comes at a time when institutional investors like Vanguard Group Inc. and UBS AM are consistently increasing their substantial holdings, underscoring a broad-based confidence in Intel's long-term prospects despite recent financial performance fluctuations. The chip maker's stock continues to be a focal point for major financial entities, with over 64% of its shares held by institutional investors. The market is keenly observing these investment trends, particularly in light of Intel's recent earnings report, which, while showing revenue growth, fell short on earnings per share estimates. Analysts maintain a cautious yet engaged stance, with a consensus rating of reduce, but ongoing debate about the company's price target and future performance. But the tech world never sleeps, and the next big innovation might surprise you. We're diving into how AMD's latest tech could be a win for Intel and Nvidia. AMD's FSR Redstone, a cross-GPU revolution on the horizon. AMD's upcoming FSR Redstone, slated for release in the second half of 2025, is generating significant buzz not just for Radeon users, but potentially for owners of Intel and Nvidia GPUs as well. This advanced technology introduces neural rendering capabilities, including Neural Radiance Caching (NRC), which leverages machine learning to enhance ray and path tracing performance. AMD is developing these features using their proprietary ML-to-code translation layer, converting neural rendering cores into universal compute shaders. This universality is key. Chris Hall, AMD's Senior Director of Software Development, confirmed that FSR Redstone's neural rendering core can operate on GPUs from various manufacturers. While FSR4 Super Resolution will remain exclusive to RDNA 4 GPUs, Redstone's broader compatibility could mark a pivotal moment for AMD's upscaling technology. The implications for Intel and Nvidia users are still being explored. particularly regarding compatibility with existing neural rendering solutions like DLSS and potential benefits for older hardware like GeForce RTX 30 series cards. This technological convergence is reshaping the GPU landscape as we know it. Stay tuned for the latest official word directly from Intel Corporation. Intel Corporation delivers key update amidst market dynamics. Intel Corporation has released a significant update, providing crucial information for investors and tech enthusiasts alike. While the specifics of this latest announcement are still unfolding, it arrives at a pivotal moment for the semiconductor industry. Intel continues to navigate a complex market, influenced by major investment shifts from firms like Sivia Capital Partners, LLC, and Defined Wealth Management, LLC, and the evolving competitive landscape with technologies like AMD's FSR Redstone. The company's recent quarterly earnings report indicated a year-over-year revenue increase, though it missed analyst expectations for earnings per share. This has led to a divided analyst sentiment, with a consensus, reduce, rating, but ongoing scrutiny of its market position and future growth strategies. Investors and industry watchers are eager for more details on Intel's strategic direction and technological advancements. This is just a snapshot of the fast-paced world of tech and finance. Don't miss our rapid-fire recap and the full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Sivia Capital Partners, LLC is making big bets on Intel. Defined Wealth Management, LLC is also increasing its Intel holdings. AMD's FSR Redstone is poised for cross-GPU compatibility, and Intel Corporation has dropped a crucial update. For all the details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more breaking news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.